550 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
November 940 Tango Sierra, contact Indy Center 133.05. Cirrus 940 Tango Sierra, contact Indy Center 133.05.
133.05,
940 Tango Sierra, Indy. Cirrus 0 Tango Sierra, contact Indy Center now 133.05, 3305.
3305.
November 940 Tango Sierra, Indy. Okay, Tango's November 940 Tango Sierra, you sound a little disoriented, sir. Are you okay? November 940 Tango Sierra, do you want to descend lower? Sounds like you might have disoriented there, maybe hypoxic. Can you hear me okay? November 940 Tango Sierra, descend and maintain 11,000, descend and maintain 11,000. And November 940 Tango Sierra, make sure you have your oxygen on if you're able.
Thank you.
November 940 Tango Sierra, descend and maintain 11,000. If you're able to descend, also if you've got your oxygen mask, put that on. Sounds like you've got hypoxia. They're disoriented. Cirrus 940 Tango Sierra, Indy, how do you hear me?
I hear you, sir.
Okay, you still sound a little garbled, November 940 Tango Sierra. Do you have an oxygen mask on?
I'm hoping to do oxygen mask on.
Okay, it's sounding a little bit better. Again, you are cleared to descend to 11,000. Descend and maintain 11,000 to help with that.
Cleared to 11,000. There's Tango Sierra.
Descent. Are you feeling better there with the oxygen?
So, feeling a little better with oxygen. Tango Sierra. It's cleared to 11,000.
And November 940 Tango Sierra, I know you told me you have the max oxygen mask on. Do you have it flowing? Do you have an indication to make sure it's flowing?
Affirmative, yes, Tango Sierra. Have oxygen mask on.
Okay, I copy you have oxygen mask on, and it is flowing. You have the oxygen flowing, correct?
Affirmative, oxygen mask flowing, yes, Tango Sierra.
November 940 Tango Sierra, Indy.
Yes, Tango Sierra.
Okay, yes, sir. I'm sure you probably are flying with the autopilot, correct?
Yes, Tango Sierra.
Okay, let's double check your altitude setting. Set it to 11,000, 11,000.
0, Tango Sierra, 11,000.
Number 940 Tango Sierra, I'm still showing a current good rate of descent here. Are you still with me?
Yes, here, Tango Sierra, still with you.
Okay, copy that.
And everything is feeling a lot better.
Okay, November 940 Tango Sierra, that's good to hear. I still think we should continue this descent down to 11,000 and help just get 100% oxygen here.
Yes, got 100% oxygen, Tango Sierra.
November 940 Tango Sierra, Indy, you still feeling better there in the descent?
Yes, I feel a lot better, Tango Sierra.
Okay, good news, sir. I'm going to keep you with me here on this frequency. You're getting a little far south. We're worried maybe about radio coverage, but I've got you loud and clear, so I'm going to hold on to you, make sure you're okay for a frequency change here.
Thank you. I'll feel a lot better, Tango Sierra.
Okay, good news, sir.